Hello and welcome, I'm Ashley from Qbro and we're doing a video showing how to use the Lunar X5 portable motor unit system. The big advantage is using this trolley in conjunction with the motor. It makes it very easy to connect and disconnect this motor unit from the ceiling hoist system. So what we need to do is, if the strap is not already connected onto the reacher stick, all you need to do is connect that. So for example, if this strap on the motor unit was done up tight, all you need to do is get the handset and push the down button, and that will then release the strap from the motor unit. Once you have enough length in the strap, you can connect it up to the easy reach pole, pull it in, make sure it clicks in place, and then you are now ready to locate the motor unit underneath the attachment point on the ceiling hoist system and go through the process of attaching the unit. Once you have clipped the attachment point into its receiver, all you need to do is a half turn clockwise and that is now secure. Now the great advantage with the system is once you have clipped it in place, it is completely locked in place. You cannot do it halfway. It is either completely locked in or unlocked. So if you don't connect it in correctly, it will just come back down when you lower the stick back down and stay within the stick. So there's no room for error here. It is a secure system. Once it's locked in place, you can be confident it's ready to use. So now that we've that connected up, you can see how quick and easy that was. We can locate the easy reach stick back into its locator point on the side of the trolley, which makes it very easy for access for next time. And then we literally just push the handset control, lift the motor unit up, and that lifts it off the portable trolley. We now have the motor unit fully serviceable and ready to use. So as you can see, it is a very simple and easy process to attach the motor unit to the ceiling hoist, lift the motor unit up, and now it is ready for use.